This O-ring is used to seal your grinder's spindle assembly to the gear case housing. The O-ring fits tightly around the spindle housing and seals against the gear case. The O-ring keeps the gear case lubricant from leaking from the housing. Over time, the O-ring can fail and break. This will cause oil to leak from the gear case. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard and the side handle. Now remove the spindle assembly. It's secured with 4 screws. Now I can remove the old O-ring. I'll use a pick to pull it away from the spindle housing. Now I can install the new O-ring. I'll place it around the edge of the spindle housing and work it into place. With the O-ring back in place, I can reinstall the spindle housing and secure it with the screws. I'll finish up by reinstalling the guard, the flange nuts, and the side handle. And that's all it takes to install a new O-ring on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.